Hello everyone, I'm Preeti and it is the continuation of a previous video. As I spoke, today I'm gonna teach array traversing, that is how to traverse an array. Now what actually traversing means? Now when you initialize and declare an array and you put elements into an array, after putting elements into an array, you would like to see the elements which are in that reference variable, that is in that array. At that particular time, you are supposed to traverse that array and then print on your console. Now I'll show you how to traverse and to print that array elements into the console. First, we are supposed to initialize and declare an array with array elements. So I'll just give a simple array initialization and declaration, that is a static one. I'll give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have initialized and declared my array. Now I just want to print all of these elements into my console. Now how will I actually do that? You can do this by using a looping conditions, loops, that is by using a for loop. You can also use while loop, and you can use different loops to print these array elements. For the simpler purpose, I'll use for loop. Using a for loop, you are supposed to iterate this array using an array length. So I'll give int I is equals to 0, I less than a dot length, and I'm incrementing the loop. Yeah. And you will simply print array of I. Now what will actually happen when I'll do this? When the loop iterates for the first time, the I value will be 0. Since I value is 0, the index position of array will be also 0. And the index position 0 array contains an element 1. So when the loop iterates for the first time, it prints 1. Again, for the second time the loop iterates, it increments the I value by 1. So the I value will be 1 and the index position will also be 1, and the index position contains an element 2. So it prints 2. When loop iterates for the third time, the I will be incremented and I will be 2. So the index position will be 2 and the index position contains an element 3. In the same way, the loop iterates and the loop increments. In the similar way, the index position also increases and the element which is being present in that particular index will get printed on the console. Now I'll simply run this program. When I'll run this program, you will actually know how to traverse. Give it OK. So you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 is being printed in the console. If you want to print them in the same line, just take this ln off and give only print and give plus. Yeah. Now when you will do this, compile and run, you can see it is getting printed on the console. So this is the way you are supposed to traverse an array. Yeah, I hope you people have understood how to traverse an array. To print your output on the console, you need to traverse that array. Yeah, so this is a very important topic. I hope you all of you has understood this topic. Thank you.